Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix Google Maps not talking. So let's get right into it. Now, the talking options on Google Maps are tied to specifically navigation on mobile devices. It is not available on PCs simply because PCs don't have a navigation or active live navigation features, since they are static objects and static platforms. So on your mobile phone, you do have the option to enable voice feedback from the app to tell you where you need to go, sort of like a GPS navigation system. And that is activated once you actually go into your directions. Once you select the place where you want to go, you can then select to start navigation, and that should enable voice commands itself. Make sure your volume is up so that you can hear them, and make sure that that's not the reason you don't hear it. Other than that, other problems which might cause this are: one, an outdated system, so that means you should update your iOS or Android, and if that doesn't fix it, then that possibly means that your device is outdated in itself, which means you should switch to a new device. Or if your device could run it before, possibly it has been made redundant, so you're going to need to switch it up anyway. Other than that, what you can also do is you can also clear the cache of the app to make sure that everything is functioning perfectly and that it's not a corrupt cache. And if something else has been corrupted, just try reinstalling the app, relogging into your Google services, and that should possibly fix the problem. But other than that, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.